Best of luck with that. Now, they're known for taking extra long lie-ins, so who better to test out the best alarm clocks than a teenager?
After giving us his verdict on the top vacuum cleaners back in June, he knows a lot about them. 16-year-old Matthew Locke is back, but this time to help you wake up feeling fresh. So, morning, Matthew.
Morning, Matthew.
Morning, good to be back.
It's lovely to have you back. I had a bit of a moment with my alarm clock the other day. I rely on my phone, and my phone decided it wasn't going to wake me up.
Yeah.
So I now have 2 alarms on my phone, and I have an alarm that I hate on the windowsill, which makes a hell of a racket. Why not just use our phones?
Well, using our phones can be unreliable, as you've just said, but it can also be really bad for our sleep. I mean, a study in 2017 showed that when using your phone to set your alarm, you're so likely to go on social media, using that before bed, and it will disrupt your sleep pattern, thinking about, will someone message back? Have you got another notification? So using an alarm is a great way to start off a good night's sleep.
Yeah, it is a good idea. You make a very good point. So there's different ways you can wake up. Different things are good for different people. So if you want a soothing start to your morning...
That's me.
That's me.
Well, if you want a soothing start, we're going to start over here. We're going to start with the Dimplex diffuser with colour lights in it. So this one, you can add any essential oil and water you want into it, and it will fill the room for up to 8 hours with a lovely, soothing, cool mist. Now, you can put some lavender in there, maybe when you're reading of an evening, just to relax you, de-stress, calm down. But you can also put it on when you're getting up with the lights on the bottom, and it will just give you a nice, soothing start to the morning, as well as having the clock on the front and, of course, the alarm noise.
Okay. Nice.
Now, also, there is also this one. Now, this is the Lumi. Now, this is our most expensive on test. This is £170, but it packs 4 machines into one. It packs a Bluetooth speaker, a lamp, a radio and an alarm clock, all into this lovely, really trendy, neat, discreet package. So you've got your light here, and what makes this light different is when you go to bed, it realises your sleep patterns. So it will gradually tone the light down for 30 minutes as you're going to sleep until it's on nothing. And then of a morning, 30 minutes before the alarm sounds, to gently wake you up, it will slowly increase in intensity to 100% light. Great way to start the morning, really light. You can connect your phone then if you want while you're getting ready, put on some of your favourite music, or of course, of an evening, put on some nice, calm music.
Did you say it's got a radio in it as well?
Yeah, here, look. Oh, no, that's the light. Oh, look at that.
It's got the inbuilt radio.
Look, that's the lighty thing, look.
So you can...
Morning. And then that's the radio. I don't know.
Oh, I like that. I like
good,
that
isn't
one.
it?
Yeah, OK, that's good.
So you can put on your nice, relaxing radio with that one, of course, too. But if you are not for that relaxing starts and you are a heavy sleeper, this is the one for you. Now, I've been testing this and it's even been able to get me out of bed, and I'm a really heavy sleeper. This is the supersonic loud bed shaker alarm. So this uses 3 methods to get you up. It uses this shaking 12-volt detachable bed vibrator that will really actually shake the bed. It uses a blue flashing light and an extraordinarily loud alarm.
I mean, it sounds like the
police are coming down the road. So, yes, well, it really does. But it's sure to wake you up. You won't have any excuses for being late at work or anything with this, because it will make sure you're awake. You can change the volume if you don't want it so loud, but this is also recommended for people who are hard of hearing, because it's got all your different sensors on this one. So really good, that one.
It kicks your door down.
Now...
hits you over the head.
Now, if you are going to want to do the alarm and the gym in one in the morning, this might well be the one for you. This one will alarm and then jump off your bedside table and go and run around the room. This is so you can't just hit snooze. You can't just stop it. You've got to actually get out of bed, chase it round, get under the bed, maybe where it's wet, pull it out and sort it out. And by that, By that time, you'll be well and truly awake with this. I think the neighbours will be too.
Yeah, no, don't like that one.
No.
So the next one is the nice, simple alarm. Now, this is from John Lewis. Now, this is a silent sweeping hand, which means it's not going to sound like there's a mouse doing a tap dance on the side of the table. So it's really quiet, very simple to use. So if you are struggling with using some of these more complicated digital ones, it's super easy to set. Nice, big, easy to use buttons and a big light on there. The hands are also luminous, so you can see them in the night when you look over without having to switch the light on. And that one is £20, and that is from John Lewis. Now, the next one we are moving on to is the Sensor Wake. Now, this uses 3 sensors, but it uses them in a lot different way to the loud vibrating of this one. This one actually blows out a fresh scent to start off with. In this one, I've got toast, but you can put in grass smell, coffee smell, orange juice smell, you name it, they've done a scent. And it blows out the front for the first minute and fills the room with this kind of uplifting, you know, warm smell. But then it also has the sound, which will beep. And if that hasn't woken you up, it has a gently increasing flashing light. Although I have tried this and I like the principle of it, it was designed by a 17-year-old, so it should work for me. I found that the sound wasn't quite loud enough. So if the light and the smell haven't already woken you up, the sound I found wouldn't.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Loads of information there. I like the one that smells of toast. That really is a nice way to wake up, isn't it? Lovely to talk to you today.
Thank you.
See you again soon.
See you later. Thanks for having me on.
You're very
pleasure.
welcome, very welcome.